What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can invest in S&P 500 index fund from the UK. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. Investing in S&P 500 directly from the UK is not possible. For that, you need to follow these instructions. First things first, sign up with a UK investment platform like Hargreaves, Lansdowne, or AJ or a banking app like Trading 212. Now, you just have to sign up for either of these websites or applications. Once you're done, you will be able to look for S&P 500 index fund or EFT, such as Vanguard, S&P 500, UCI, TCS, and EFT. Now you just have to look for the fund and then open an account. Complete the sign up process and link your bank account. Once you do that, fund your account, find S&P 500 and place your order. Consider ISAs and SIPPs. Use a stock and share ISAs to invest tax efficiently. Make sure to file your tax efficiently because not filing a tax could cause you in trouble. These are the things you just have to use any of the platform to invest in S&P 500. You won't directly be able to invest it on your own. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to do this in the UK. Hope you guys find this video helpful.